This video is proof that there is power in the tongue. Watch this.
The main frame of WAFBEC is a word-centered, word of faith stream. Then we build around it. So anytime we discover anybody who is strong in that stream, it is very easy for us to come to the conclusion that this person should be invited. So I had listened to him and I got his number and I sent him a WhatsApp message. I think it's 30 minutes ago I met you for the first time physically. And then he said, excuse me, can I send you a video? Do I have your permission? I said you should send it. Now he said he preached a message earlier on and he said something. Could you play the video and hear what he did?
This teaching look like WAFBEC teaching. This is not for, so it's for WAFBEC. I will teach this thing. I've confessed it.
All right, let's welcome.
One thing I learned from that was the power of the tongue, of declaring what you want, your desires over your life. This is your reminder that your words carry power. Use them wisely.